Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I make videos about fashion and lifestyle. I'm so happy you're joining me here on this channel. Be sure to click subscribe on this channel. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm the most active there. Today I am talking to you guys about this bag that I have had for a really long time actually. And I don't know why I never did a review for it, to be honest with you. It is one of my most used bags in terms of travel. If you are not familiar with Polene, they are an amazing brand. They are a Parisian leather goods brand started by two brothers and a sister, and they have really taken the Instagram world by storm. I know that they have a lot of people talking about them on Instagram, a lot of people wearing them. There are a lot of reviews here on YouTube about their bags as well, because their bags are classic, timeless, super high quality, but at a fraction of the price. So I'm going to be talking about the Polene Numero Un, which is one of their first releases ever. This bag was gifted to me from them, and I love this bag so much. So without further ado, so it comes in this beautiful dust bag. I love this. And then this is the bag I chose. I think this was one of the first bags that I got from them. This color is one of my favorites ever because it's so beautiful. Once I saw this bag out of the box, I was literally shook as to how amazing the leather feels. It feels supreme, honestly. Like, this leather is anything that you would find on a designer handbag that would cost you upwards of $1,000, but this retails for $450. And I think if you're looking for a larger handbag, this could definitely do the trick for you. So this I love because it even has like little feet on the bottom. I love the contrast of suede and the grained leather. I think this looks so beautiful. You open it from the top, and then there's a giant pocket. You can fully expand this bag and make it even bigger depending on what you're putting in here. And it has one zippered pocket and then two card slot pockets in here as well. And then on the back, it has one pocket over here where you can easily put your iPhone, and it comes with a strap, so you could wear this over the shoulders, you can wear it as a crossbody, or you can completely take out the straps and then just carry this bag as a top handle, which I haven't done yet. When you're spending so much money on a bag, you need to make sure that you can easily style this from day to night and you're really getting your money's worth. This bag also comes in a lot of other colors. I actually own the black as well, so it has black leather on the bottom and then this suede on top. I love both of them, although this one is definitely one of my favorites because of the lighter suede color. I don't think you can see any kind of lint on top, which is something that I like. However, with the black, I'm a little bit careful because I don't want the top suede to get too dirty, so I don't travel with that. This is my go-to bag because it actually closes. I have the Neverfull and then the Dior book tote as well, and both of them don't have zippers, so in that situation, this is definitely something that comes more in handy, especially if I want everything secured in here. I also think that this could make a really nice work bag because this will literally house everything that you need for the day. And I'm not somebody who carries a lot of stuff with me anyways because I don't like my bags to be really heavy. However, when I'm traveling and I need things on the plane and I need a handbag, this is my go-to. I also think this looks really cute with my black away luggage. So I've gathered all the things I think you could potentially need during the day and then start fitting them in here so you can see what all fits. First off, I'm going to start with an iPad. You can even put like a MacBook Air even in here, which I think would fit really easily because this bag is seriously spacious. Then I'm going to put in a notebook or a journal, so that goes in here as well. I'm going to actually put in this entire pouch full of makeup, but if you have any toiletries, you can add those in there as well. My most bulkiest sunglass case, like look at this thing, it's like thick, you know. My card holder, which is also quite bulky, my brush, some AirPods, and my vlogging camera. And it's quite full at this point, as you can see. However, it still closes, which is definitely the most important part. Actually, I can close all of these buttons. There we go. It actually closes. Nothing is sticking out of anywhere. It still has its structure. It does weigh like a brick at this point. I don't know who would want to carry all of this stuff in here. You could literally do like bicep curls with this amount of weight in your bag. Oh yeah, and I forgot to put my phone in here. So you can carry your phone right over here for easy access. You could even put like your boarding pass in here. Don't put your passport. I would not recommend using your passport for this because you don't want to lose your passport somewhere. Just taking everything out of here so I can show you that if you open this bag, I'm going to put my 13-inch MacBook in here, and without the buttons, it actually fits. If you want to carry it with just the flap, you can do that. This could also be a really great mom bag because moms always have a bunch of snacks with them and all the things. Who wants to carry a diaper bag as their actual handbag? I think this is something really nice, and I think a lot of people would really appreciate it, including yourself if you're looking for a new bag. So overall, I think this is a really great bag. I don't find anything wrong with it. It stood the test of time in the sense that I've used it a lot and there's not even a single scuff on it. I don't see any dirt on the suede, and it's just overall been a really great bag to have. It is high quality. You can see and feel the quality in this bag. It's definitely worth the money. The gold hardware on the back has not tarnished. So if you're looking to invest in a nice bag that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, definitely check out Polene. They have so many different options, so many different designs as well. That's my review. I really hope you enjoyed it. I have so many handbags. Let me know which bags you want me to review. I'm happy to do that for you. I think I'm gonna start doing more because I definitely like to watch handbag reviews before I purchase a new bag. And I'm hoping, if you haven't heard of Polene, that I taught you something new because this brand is definitely worth checking out. With that, I'm gonna end this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because I'm making videos 3 times a week. And I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Take care.